G'day, it's Mark and welcome back to the channel. In this episode, just a very short one, I get the XG back. Jake's done some work on it. You remember Jake from, he went with me on the FC LTD episode. If you haven't seen that one, check it out. But yeah, picked up the XG Falcon Longreach ute today, the GLi Longreach. And still needs a few bits and pieces, but yeah, it's really cool. I really like it. Okay, I've got the XG ute back. Jake's been doing some work on it, fixed the issue around the coil. Still needs a muffler and a few other bits and pieces, but yeah, just drove it back and it's cool. I like driving it. 4-speed automatic too, with the 4-litre engine, overhead cam engine. Sort of modernised the old XF platform, which was the XD platform. Like nice steering wheel in there. Interior needs a good clean. You can see I've got that rubber moulding for the door here. I took that off a rack. I've got a new tonneau cover for it as well. And yeah, it'll be good. This tailgate, I'm even looking at that, whether I could just bash the dents out on that and just keep it as is. I mean, at the end of the day, it's just a ute and I want to use it as a bit of a workhorse. But, you know, new tonneau on it, maybe knock some of those dents out of it. Just fix up a few bits and pieces, and there's a dent in the side there, which I think I can access from inside the tray because the panels come out. So that would be ideal. It's a Falcon GLi Longreach XG. Someone's put an aftermarket radio. When I say aftermarket, it's a different model Ford radio. It actually works, although the antenna needs to be replaced. I haven't looked under the seats. I'm sure they're pretty worn, but these seat covers are fine. And as I said, it's a ute, so it's going to be used. It's got about 330,000 Ks on it, which for one of these is really nothing, you know. It's yeah, it's still got plenty of life left in it, you know. So I look forward to doing a bit of work on it. I'll bring you guys some updates just so you can see how it's coming along. But it's a really nice ute. The paint work on it is really good, and I haven't even washed it yet. So a bit of a polish and knock out a few dents. There's a bit of damage here at the back. I think it'll look really smart, really good. So, yeah, follow along on the old XG. Well, I hope you enjoyed that quick little grab on the Falcon GLi XG Longreach ute. It's a mouthful. Still needs a bit of work here and there, but you know, good original ute, 330,000 K, still got plenty of life left in it, just an old farm ute. And I'm going to put it to work and use it, and yeah, I think it's super cool. So tell me what you think. If you enjoyed the episode, please give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on a future episode. Thanks for watching. Bye.